Alright, thank you for coming back for part 4 for installation or moving the VR room down into the basement. We are finalizing some of the wiring, things like that, and we're going to be getting the TV hung as well as the speakers and hopefully the wires connected up. That shouldn't be too difficult. A lot of them are already ran. I just need to take some of them in the back here and run them up here for the back speakers. And as we saw earlier when we took everything apart, the ones for the front speakers already had wires on it. Now I just have to make sure that the wires are going to be long enough and we can route them. So really simple things to be done aside from making sure the TV is going to be level and little things like that. So let's hop into that. Okay, we're going to open the box that has the arm that's going to hold the TV and hopefully get the TV up real quickly. So let's open this up and see what we have and get rolling with that. Oh, more boxes! Boxes within boxes!
Box inception!
Alright. Ooh, he didn't have templates.
Ooh.
I am so happy about that. You have no idea. Let's see. Destructions. And more stuff. Yay. I might have to read the destruction for this one. A lot of screws and stuff all over the place.
You've got the screws.
Well, I'm a different matter then. See? Another bolt. Just hope all the screws and parts are here.
They're here.
So, this is for the back of the TV. It's going to be an arm that goes up. And looks like we have plenty height adjustments. So that could be one. There. Yep, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 3 of them right here, and then you have all these other ones that are spaced out pretty well. That was a bug. Got it too. At all. Thinking I should be able to put a level up on that and to make it as level as possible. Even though there is play within this right here, it's not much, but it might. Oh, 2 screws I found loose actually go right here. That's why there's so much play in this. Okay, well, we'll take care of that later. Alright, now let's get our pencil. We got the Trussio level as well as the template, so we're going to use the level and just make sure the template, which it should be lined up pretty good with, actually is level. About right there is perfect. So I'm going to put a mark in all of these areas. Got everything all marked up in there. They said they want it in 2 inches, so I'm not sure if this is actually going to be long enough. What do you think, Ma?
Just do it.
Just do it. Just do it, she says. Hang it. Let's watch it fall. Yeah. Let's get the drill out and we'll get those holes made. And then from there, it looks like we're going to be vacuuming again.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I know. We like that so much. We're back with the extender on the socket as well as this disassembled. We are putting this up like that, the way it's supposed to be. And let's get screwing. Three hours later. see how far off we are according to their little magnet here. And go from there. We are not bad off at all. Not that I could change it any, but we're practically dead center, people. Dead center. Gotta love it. Now if all this is square, that's gonna be awesome.
Oh, don't go getting excited.
Well, sexy tech, you're here. That's a little impossible. Oh, man. It's still practically square. I mean, practically level. I'd rather fall than the TV, so yeah, I'm sliding right off. So I think it's gonna hold that TV no problem. All right, yeah, I'm safe, I'm good. No human beings harmed in this filming. Now that we have the TV over here and where we're gonna be almost ready to put it up on the ceiling, or actually hanging from the ceiling. That'd be interesting. Look at watching a movie while laying on your bed with the TV on the ceiling. I ought to try that sometime. Okay, now let's get back on topic here. We have the two different brackets that are going to go on the back here, and along with the appropriate nuts, bolts, spacers, all that other stuff. So let's put that together real quick. Okay, now the next thing we have to do here is actually put the bottom part of the arm on to this right here. And it's very important to get this orientated the correct way so that it will actually grab onto these little lips here like that. And then once we get that put on there, you just tighten this up and it won't go back and forth. So the next move is to put this up on here like this. Did I put up right? Yes, because that's gonna just grab, if I can get that right. See, I'm glad I checked that, because what we need to do is actually loosen this up a bit so that'll fit in there when we go to put that on there. So our next thing is to figure out where we want to put the bolts on and go from there, and then hang the TV. I know you're saying that's really wobbly, which it is. It's because up here we didn't tighten it down yet. So just keep that in mind. All right, the object of this is not to drop the TV.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go, everyone. That is our TV hung. It's at the right angle, the right height. We love it. It is just something that we didn't know how much it was going to impact our viewing. It's that nice, actually. So if you have any ideas of what we could do better, please put that down in the discussions below. Also, hit that like button, hit that dislike button. If you hit that dislike button, please let me know why. If you have any suggestions on content or how I can improve my content, please do so. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It is working now. And this is Chris saying out.